Devil have lived into you. Devil have lived into you. Can I in English? Imo hamo. Can I mako? Imo hamo. When you need to know. Imo hamo. I got not protect it. Imo hamo. I want that. Imo, get to go. Imo hamo. Apaketimo. Imo happen.
Wait. Imo wuna bi ko to buto. Ale ki gbogbo yan ido ko yan ke ewu. With a horn ewu ejaga.
O to ewu. Onye. Emo de ewu karịa no one. Onye awe ewu me wa tono.
Ele ho.
Ne ma nwa nwune nwa emo de abi. Isha na ga n'isi. O egbe de hi na ekwo na ano. O ti ehuru gbato ko ti shie de. Ti huru awon na oru de ka wan. Achọ m ikpo ya ga church. Akpọ m ya gaje Divine Holy Ministry. Divine Holy Ministry na nke onyekomita. Owe ba ka mpo ya gajeke. Prophet Living Soul, the youngest prophet, aka onyekomita. Nwa Chineke ji akwara ngoro. Nwa nwanne m nwaanyị amụ ya bi. Nti amadu ya n'isi. Enwere program ọ na-eme taa Wednesday. Program akpọrọ ya Owerri Living Evidence. Ọ aha the program. A na-ebido from 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Ya wuta ruo the end of today. No man makonga. Only I need to prayer. Our one and hala aramia. My wishing hala or same music. When you never music and make onyara. Everything you won't walk a good evening. I got tagachin cheating. Let up potential at a biscuit. Yes, na biscuit ya by Nangana. Yes, Nangana, ya need later. I'll be an issue. I don't know if you commit and yoga and anime. Yoga and anime cannot put it. Okosiriga cannot put me.
No, Mule, church again of Namad.
Hana Ruby Johnson and Kedino with a gay push. Give by Gokada. Stand in a gun and call your committee. What do you onion on our lower than Nama de Bow? You baganga, Mandana Chodi, Mandana Chopron Kafo. You believe on Nakachineke. Chineke gave Jim Watakriana, what the humble youngest prophet, Paranguano, Napatago. If you are not going to Chineke Gagosi, Benegate, what was a job with me? Oh, wait, but no way. If you are going Chineke. If I come to one matter, I'm not Chineke. That would be at a potential yata. Yet you know, yata biscuit. What could be a mario? What will you mean? He got it. She got a code. They got a code. Come down. They got a prophet. It was eh? It wasn't brother. It wasn't brother. Then I follow Galaga. I got my dear boy. Go down you pay here. You didn't. And my Gamramoga, not from one book. Not allow. Not big and you're not touching. You're touching to Yata Bones. From Bones, Yarube, Yarapu Bayang or Milk. Musikirini, deep on my hotel, put you here. You got the church. I cannot put it. When you come again, you magana name. You have a program. I don't listen. I don't listen. I don't listen. Living so the youngest prophet. I don't listen. Living so. Living so.